Okay, well, I think every parent that has a teenager knows that it is probably the most traumatic experience you'll go through as a parent because they're finding their own balance, they're finding their own selves, and what they tend to do a lot is rebel against authority and rebel against you to develop their own identity. Then you realize to your horror that they are also emulating you. So anything that you've ended up doing wrong or anything that you end up not so proud of is also something that they might emulate and say, Mom, but you do it, so why can't we? So you have to be so careful about the kind of role model you are, the kind of example you're setting, the language you're using in the house, and all of that. And of course, it's the age where they find their own freedom. It's the age where they start pushing their boundaries, testing your patience, exhausting you, exciting you, and it's a roller coaster. I'm sure it's a roller coaster for them, and it's definitely a roller coaster for parents.
I mean, in today's time is a very essential aspect, but parents are not giving the time to the children. So that is a complaint from the teen side that
I don't think any child has ever felt that the parents give them enough attention. It could be a parent who's sitting at home all day, but the child still feels that the parents are not giving them attention. It could be a child that has a working parent and says, I'm not getting enough attention. The fact is, there are only so many hours a day. You have to make time for yourself. You have to make time for your children. You have to make time for your work life. You have to make time for your own social life, because eventually children are going to grow up and have their own lives, and they're going to fly away. And then you're left with what they call the empty nest syndrome, where your home is empty and your nest is empty. And if you haven't filled your nest with other things, it's going to be a very empty nest. So as much as they may resent the fact that you don't spend time with them, you're making your own life, because you are here also for yourself on this planet. And in addition to that, you're also making sure that when they leave, you're not crippled because they've left.
lastly asking, what about you yourself as a parent? Are you lenient, disciplined, very strict?
I think I'm a good mix of all of them. I think I'm an incredibly disciplined parent when I need to be, lenient when I need to be, helpless because I don't have a choice sometimes. I think it's been a remarkable learning curve for me as an individual to parent Alia and Omar. They both got such totally different personalities, and it shocks me sometimes as to how two children who've grown up in the same house, with the same mother, eating the same food and going to the same schools, could turn out so different. It teaches a lot about the human evolution and how life just happens and they just develop personalities of their own. And it's been an exhilarating experience for me as a parent. I have to say they're amazing kids, both Alia and Omar. They've really made me proud because they go out there and they're achievers. So even academically, they're fabulously bright. They're in the sports teams. They play sports and football and hockey and soccer, and so it's really lovely to see a well-rounded child come out, good products of society. And of course, we all stumble along. Find our way, but at the end of the day, if you have a good product in hand, and those two kids of mine are amazing products, I'm proud of them.
I was a good girl. I didn't give too much trouble to my parents. नहीं, but I feel कि teenage years में I think हर बच्चा उनके लाइफ में बहुत changes आते हैं, और बहुत ज़रूरी होता है एक पेरेंट को वो समझना, और so and how to deal with it. I know it's very difficult. हम टीनेजर्स थे जब मेरे पिताजी एक सिंगल पेरेंट थे, तो उनके लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल होती होगी उस समय, एंड आई कैन कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज अ पेरेंट टुडे.
वैसे तो बच्चे कंप्लेन करते हैं कि टाइम नहीं रहता, आप सेलिब्रिटी चाइल्ड है तो और भी कंप्लेन होगी कि एज अ चाइल्ड है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आई थिंक ये पेरेंट के ऊपर है कि हम किस तरह से प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं. आज मैं भी बहुत काम करती हूँ, लेकिन मेरे फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी मेरे बच्चे हैं. So I will never miss any program in their school. I will never miss their homework. I will never miss their daily activities, because I know that they are my priority.
टीनेज बहुत सालों पहले था, लेकिन मेरा एक बच्चा है निर्वाण, जो एक टीनेजर है, और लीना टीचर ने उसको ही पढ़ाया था. उसका जो पहला स्कूल था कैंगरू किड्स था, और वो निर्वाण की पहली प्रिंसिपल और टीचर रह चुकी है. तो जब उन्होंने कहा कि आज बुक लॉन्च है और एक टीनेजर के जो बेस है बुक का, एक टीनेजर की जो कहानी होती है उसके ऊपर है, तो मैं चाहता था कि मैं निर्वाण को भी लेके आऊँ, लेकिन उसकी स्कूल था तो वो नहीं आ पाया. लेकिन जितनी जानकारी लीना को मालूम है बच्चों के बारे में, टीनेजर के बारे में, मुझे लगता है किसी और को नहीं मालूम है. तो मुझे खुशी है कि उन्होंने ऐसी किताब लिखी है.
आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, ये तो बच्चे के ऊपर ये सब्जेक्ट है, लेकिन इतनी इंस्पायरिंग सेलिब्रिटीज है, बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज है, किनके ऊपर आप किताब लिखना चाहेंगे? फ्रॉम अमिताभ बच्चन टू सलमान भाई टू शाहरुख,
Which of the actors you would like to write a book on if given? about them? When he said,
So my interest is not in the celebrity, it's in what goes to making the celebrity. So my interest in him would be what were his childhood experiences that got him to be where he is, what inspired him, what fears does he have and why does he have the fears. So if I could take insight from him for other parents whose kids want to be actors, that would be a great thing.
चलो ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता काफी बिजी रहते हैं तो हाउ डू यू मैनेज गिविंग टाइम टू द फैमिली
no, I have to manage time for other things. I am all the time with the family. जो मेरे अब्बा है, उन्होंने हमेशा हमको सबको एक साथ ही रखा था. So जो 3 भाई है, 2 माँ है, 2 बहन है, हमेशा एक साथ ही रहे. तो इनफैक्ट मैं हमेशा घर पे रहता हूँ, डैडी के घर पे रहता हूँ, अभी अपने घर पे रहता हूँ. जितना चाहूँ उतना काम, जितना चाहता हूँ उतना काम मैं घर से करना चाहता हूँ. तो बेसिकली मुझे काम के लिए वक्त निकालना पड़ता है. बेसिकली फैमिली मैन. अभी तो स्क्रिप्ट पे काम चल रहा है. वर्किंग ऑन अ फिल्म कॉल्ड माय पंजाबी निकाह और वो इंशाल्लाह बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर शुड स्टार्ट दैट.
मैं बहुत शाय था लेकिन बहुत बदतमीज़ भी था साथ में. तो मेरा चाइल्डहुड थोड़ा मीन्स आई वॉज वेरी फोकस्ड व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू, लेकिन पढ़ाई में इतना ध्यान नहीं था, संगीत में ध्यान ज़्यादा था, इसलिए आज संगीतकार बन गया. माई फादर एक्चुअली, मेरे पिताजी एक बहुत बढ़िया म्यूजिशियन है, बट इट्स हिज हॉबी टू प्ले द अकॉर्डियन. लेकिन वी आर फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस फैमिली, तो इंस्पिरेशन तो वहाँ से ही आई, पिताजी से आई, माताजी से आई, जगजीत सिंह साहब से आई जो हमारे फैमिली के बहुत ही करीब थे. और उसके बाद जब शुरुआत हुई तब पंचम दा का म्यूज़िक सुनता था, A.R. रहमान साहब का म्यूज़िक सुनता था. मेरे काफ़ी चहीते कंपोजर्स थे जिसकी एल्बम में जाके ख़रीदता था. तो वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई और वहाँ से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में नहीं था उधर. आई वाज नॉट देयर. मैं अपने स्टूडियो से आ रहा हूँ और ये मेरे और ये लीना जी की बुक है और उनके स्कूल के साथ मैं बहुत क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड हूँ. अच्छी बात है सर, जो भी प्लेटफॉर्म हो और जो भी नए टैलेंट को बढ़ावा दे वो अच्छा ही शो होता है.